Hello everyone. From this video, let's learn how to code our own custom indicator step by step. This is the first video of the tutorial video series. So we will use a very simple example as our beginning. First of all, we need to prepare two stuffs. One is Fintechee trading platform, and the other one is any text editor. We have provided a lot of source codes template in our trading platform, and we just need to get the source code template there for free. We will choose ATR as our template in this tutorial video, and copy the source code, and then paste them into the editor, and we change the name of the indicator to Hello World. Okay, and after that we can change the description. Okay, the third parameter is a callback function. We will edit it later. In this tutorial video, and we will not use any parameters, so we can empty the parameter list, and we will use just one data input, so we can remove these two elements and just keep one element here and rename it to volume, because we will use volume as our data input. And after that, we just need to edit the data output. We will just output one line, so we need to remove this one and keep this one here and rename it. The name can be any string, so we use test, and we will render it, so keep it visible, and the render type is line, so just make it as default. Color, we will not change the color, so just to keep it, and we will render it in a separate window, so just to keep this parameter. Okay, now let's edit our callback function. Because we will not use parameter, so we can remove this line, and we will have just one data input, so we can remove these two lines, and we can change the variable's name and simplify it, and we will use just one data output. The data output's name is test, so we need to edit this one. Okay, and after that we can remove these lines, and in this indicator's logic, and we will not do any calculation. We will just show the volume data. So we just need to copy the data input array to data output array straightforward. So we need to edit the source code's logic here. Okay, so this line will help us just move data input data into data output array. Okay, very simple, right? And remove this line. This line is to call a common function of moving average. We will not use moving averages formula, so we can remove it. It's done. And then we just need to copy the source code and paste into our console panel and run it. It's done. Now you can find it here. Okay, let's see how it works. And just add an indicator and choose the custom indicator we just coded and run it, add it. It's done successfully. Okay, cool. Hopefully this tutorial video can be helpful to your trading. Happy trading every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.